Excuse me, sir. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
The stock levels they've come up about 200 properties on the beaches. Not a lot in DY. We're only seeing one today, so it's pretty tight.
Me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Property market's heating right up. As we said last week, there's not a lot of properties on, and there hasn't been over the weekend, and there's still plenty of buyers out. So it's time to list, time to sell, time to buy.
Me?
Yes.
What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
Well, stock levels are actually quite low. What are we? The 28th of January. So this is the week. Apparently, this is the start week for real estate. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with those stock levels. If they stay relatively low, I think it's the perfect storm for a very, very heated market to come.
Excuse me?
Yes.
What's the property market doing in 15
It's
seconds?
like the weather. It's warming up. It's warming up.
Ooh.
Good buyer activity, particularly through the 60, 70 styles apartments. On the beaches, we saw some really big numbers through a one-bedroom apartment that the teams just launched last weekend. I think 15 groups. Week before that, we had another one-bedroom which had about 15 groups. And then I know Glenn's selling a two-bedroom in the Crescent, 60s, 70s style two-bedroom. Again, probably 15, 18 groups through that one. So. Activity for that type of price point of that age of property, I'm saying.
Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds? Excuse me? Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
15 seconds. Well, 50% increase in stock levels over the past week, 400 to 600. So that's obviously quite interesting. But yeah, heavy buyers out. Listed Sturdy Parade, 15
Heavy
groups
ones?
through. 15 groups through.
Overweight.
Lots of them. So 15 through, and offers already been coming across. So a good market, guys. Get involved.
Oh. Excuse me? What's the property market doing in 15 seconds? Oi. Me?
Hello, sir.
What's the property market doing in 15
I
seconds?
think it's going very well. Now stock are coming up. Buyers are very, very happy. Might get a good news of the interest rate very soon as well. So I can see a lot of interested and excited buyers out there.
Fine. What's the property market doing in 15 seconds?
700 properties on realestate.com. We're over the Australia Day hurdle. That should mean there's a little bit more stock to come, but they're selling quick.